Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the joyous and colorful festival of Songkran. This annual celebration is all about water fights and spreading good vibes. You might be wondering, when is Songkran celebrated? It takes place from April 13th to 15th, marking the end of the dry season in Thailand. Songkran is Thailand's most famous festival, an important event on the Buddhist calendar. This water festival marks the beginning of the traditional Thai New Year. The name Songkran comes from a Sanskrit word meaning passing or approaching. Songkran festival takes place in April every year, from the 13th to the 15th. On the first day of Songkran, Thai people gather in their neighborhoods and streets to participate in this age-old tradition. They even dance together while spraying each other with water from buckets or hoses. Water is an important element of Songkran, especially in more recent times when the throwing of water has become a huge part of the annual celebrations. If you're visiting Thailand during this period, prepare to get splashed. Crowds of people roam around throwing buckets of water, using water pistols, and just generally soaking anyone in the vicinity. Appreciation of family is another important aspect of the festival, with many Thai people making their way to their hometowns to spend time with older relatives. Buddhists also visit temples throughout Songkran, where water is poured on Buddha images and on the hands of Buddhist monks as a mark of respect. YashNico is the celebration of the old Thai New Year's Eve and takes place on April 14th when the sun travels between Pisces and Iris. You can observe one of Songkran's more formal rituals on YashNico, as it's on this day that many Buddhists go to their temples to build sanchaitis, a sandcastle built to resemble a Buddhist temple.
During Songkran, Bangkok experiences a mass exodus as at least half of its residents travel back to their hometowns for family reunions. In their place are tourists, who fly into Bangkok particularly to enjoy one of the most colorful and festive times of the year. During Songkran, most office buildings, banks, and even family-run shops and restaurants shut down completely, while big shopping malls usually remain open. As the capital city of Thailand, Bangkok has more places to party than anywhere else. The biggest, brashest parties are found in two places in particular. Khao San Road, the backpacking heartland of Bangkok. Siloam Road, the entire road closed off to traffic. Many hotels will have ticket-only pool parties which are more sophisticated affairs, while RCA also has huge dance party extravaganzas with water cannons, pumping music and thousands of people. Songkran in Chiang Mai is easily the wettest, and probably the most fun, of any of the nationwide celebrations of the Thai Buddhist New Year. Bangkok's parties may be the biggest and Pattaya's are the longest, but nowhere sees as much water flying as Chiang Mai, which makes it one of the most popular places in the whole of Southeast Asia to visit in mid-April, particularly with overseas tourists and backpackers.
Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about fascinating festivals around the world, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay happy and keep celebrating life's moments.